Welcome everyone to break 443 for the 2018 Panini Origins football box. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Tuesday, February 12th, 2019. It's 9:04 p.m. Eastern Time and 6:04 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Anthony with 4 spots, KC with 2, Humble with 12, Wakeboard Bill with 3, Ed 1, John Fott with 3, Baxter 5, Even 1, Jeremy with 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Anthony, you're on top. Hargrove on the bottom. Good luck. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7. We'll put Wakeboard on top and Humble on the bottom. Alright, Wakeboard Bill, you have the Cardinals, Anthony Falcons, Humble Ravens, John Fott Bills, Baxter Panthers, John Fott Bears, Humble Bengals, Baxter Browns, Humble Cowboys, Anthony Broncos, Even Lions, Ed Packers, Humble Texans and Colts, John Fott Jaguars, Humble Chiefs, Baxter Chargers, Anthony Rams, Wakeboard Bill Dolphins, Humble Vikings, Baxter Patriots, Wakeboard Bill Saints, Humble Giants Jets, KC Raiders, Hargrove Eagles, Baxter Steelers, Humble 49ers, Anthony Seahawks, Humble Buccaneers, KC Titans, last but not least, Humble with the Washington Redskins. Alrighty, guys. Here we are. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Alright, guys, good luck. First, we have Cincinnati Bengals, Andy Dalton. And every card will ship. Philadelphia Eagles, Carson Wentz. Julian Edelman, New England Patriots, Super Bowl champion. That is 39 out of 175. All right, Seattle Seahawks Origins of Russell Wilson, 299, 136 out of 299. The Mayfield Fest continues. Baker Mayfield, Cleveland Browns. Just put him in our Leaf Valiant last night. So Cleveland Browns, Baker Mayfield. Very nice. The rookie patch, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Of Ronald Jones, 55 out of 99. Got some stitching on the right there. Alright, and then our last will be of Kiki Cootie, Houston Texans, rookie patch auto. For the Houston Texans. Very nice. Well, I would say that's a pretty solid Origin box. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. Starting with Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati Bengals going to B3 Humble. Congratulations. Carson Wentz Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles is going to Hargrove. Congratulations, Hargrove. Julian Edelman. New England Patriots. Going to Baxter. Congratulations, Baxter. Seattle Seahawks. Russell Wilson out of 299. It's going to Anthony. Congratulations, Anthony. We got the Baker Mayfield. Cleveland Browns. Cleveland Browns is going to Baxter. Congratulations, Baxter. Kiki Cootie. Rookie auto patch for the Houston Texans. Houston Texans going to B3 Humble. Congratulations. And then last but not least, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Ronald Jones, rookie patch, 55 out of 99. Tampa Bay also going to B3 Humble. Congratulations. Alright guys, sweet. Panini 2018 Origins break 443. Thank you guys for getting in. And all of you watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store, P2J Sports Cards. And make sure you stick around for the bonus break spot. Plenty more of the Origins, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.